Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Pakistan out of the woods, good times ahead. Prime Minister Imran Khan has said Pakistan has passed the testing situation and good times are ahead. Government allows walk-in vaccination of citizens above 30. The NCOC decided to allow walk-in vaccination of citizens above 30 years of age from tomorrow. Model Jia Ali ties the knot with cricket coach Imran Idris. Former model turned actor Jia Ali has tied knot with cricket coach Imran Idris in a small ceremony. Pakistan restored balance of power in region 23 years ago. DGISPR paying rich tribute to the scientists and engineering on Yom-e-Takbir. DGISPR Major General Babar Iftikhar said that the country had restored the balance of power in the region 23 years ago. Karachi students and life on being denied promotion to next class. The dead body of the teenage student was found in a house in Baldia town's Qaim Khani colony. Identifies as 15-year-old West committed suicide by hanging himself according to the police. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.